Good morning students. Welcome to Max class. Today we can start third term. Okay. Seema, this is your Max book. In this book you have three subjects. See, this is your Max book. Okay. See, first subject is Max, second one Science, third one Social Science. Okay, this is your new book, third term, volume 2. Seema, this is your index page. See, in this term, totally you have 6 chapters. Okay. See the first chapter, geometry, second one numbers, third one measurements, fourth one time, and fifth one money, sixth one fraction. Okay. So, third term, totally you have 6 lessons. Seema, first lesson, geometry. Okay, unit 1, geometry lesson. Okay, in this chapter, we learn about patterns. Okay. See the first topic ma, iterative pattern in shapes. Okay. See here you have one picture. Okay. In this picture we have pond and flowers, mountain, trees, everything. Okay. Naturally we have the patterns. Okay ma. Naturally we have the patterns. Okay. Patterns means that is shapes. Okay ma. Similar shapes is called pattern. See here we see pattern in trees, rivers, mountains, shells, clouds, leaves and more. Okay, naturally we can see the patterns in trees. Okay, for example neem tree means that neem tree leaves everything look like same design. Okay, next river. See here river means side everything we have the grass, after that water, everything is look like same. Okay, next to mountain. See here mountain means we have the same shapes, same designs. Okay, so one or two things small and short, but the designs are same. Okay, next shells, cloud, leaves and more. Okay, so naturally we have the patterns means some designs. Okay, see iteration is the repeated application of a process. Okay, for example neem tree means, okay, here repeatedly that leaves are same. Okay mom, every leaves are same designs. Okay, so that is repeated. Okay, next here we are going to see how we use shapes to form iterative patterns. Okay, iterative patterns from we can using some shapes. Okay, so that one, see, able to draw circles, spirals, ovals. Okay, how to draw the circles, spirals, oval. In earlier class you have learned to draw circles. Seema, here one small mistakes in your book. The, here the, T-H-E-D. In the earlier class, you have learned to draw circles. Okay, see, before the classes, how to draw the circle, how to draw the oval, everything you studied. Okay, ma. See, circle is very easy. Okay, already you know how to draw the circles. Next is spiral. This one is what? Spiral. Okay, see here, starting here. Next, this one extending. Okay, ma. So, extending with the circle. Okay, circle type it is extending. Okay ma, so this is what? Spiral. Here endless. Okay, so it is going on. Okay, this one repeated means we will get the spiral. Next to oval means it is look like circle, but it some side it is extending. Okay mom, up and down side it is extending, otherwise left and right side it is extending. Okay, so this is oval shape. Okay mom. Seema, it is also a look like circle, but up and down side it is extending. கொஞ்சம் நீளமா இருக்கும் மேலையும் கீழையும். Okay, so it is look like a egg. So it is a oval shape. Egg is a one of the example of oval shape. Okay, so how to draw the circle, spiral, oval, everything you know very well. Okay, Seema, use the above shape. We are going to form iterative patterns. Okay, see here that circle using we are creating this pattern. Okay, here lot of circles may join means we will get this pattern design. Okay, this design. Next that spiral. Okay, that one make means we will get this picture. Next here oval shape. Okay, see this one, it is look like a oval shape. Okay, oval shape using we are creating one flower. Okay ma, so here circle using we are creating this picture, and that spiral using we are creating this picture. After that oval shape using we are creating this picture. Okay, that everything we are used in a pattern. Okay, so pattern na enna sollirken, adu oru design. Okay, see ma, circle using we creating one design, spiral using we are creating one design, and oval shape using we are creating one design. See ma, one activity, required things, paper, pencil, unused bottle cap, next one cello tape. These things using we are creating this picture. Okay, take a sheet of paper, keep the cello tape on it, next make 2 or 3 holes in the bottle cap. Take one paper and cello tape, next one bottle, unused bottle cap. Okay, next in that cap you put some holes, 2 or 3 holes you can put in that water cap. Okay ma, next keep the bottle cap inside the cellophane tape and insert the pencil inside the hole. Next one pencil take ma, that pencil you can insert in that water can holes. Okay, we have one water can cap have no ma, that cap inside you put that pencil. Okay ma'am, next hold the cellophane tape firmly, draw the spirograph by wrapping the pencil here and there inside the cellophane tape. We will get the spirograph. Okay, what are the things we need? Paper, pencil, unused bottle cap and cello tape. Okay, see here one paper, this one cello tape, this one pencil, and here one water can cap. Okay ma, so cello tape nalla பேப்பர் மேலே ஃபிக்ஸ்டாக வச்சுக்கிட்டு இந்த வாட்டர் கேன் கேப்பு அடுத்து பென்சில் இதை வச்சு என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த ஹோல்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையாம்மா, இந்த செல்லோ டேப்புக்கு நடுவில் நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், நிறையா ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகே, இது சர்க்கிள் மாதிரி தானே இருக்குது, ஸோ இன்சைட் நிறையா ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ இதை வச்சு அங்கேயும் இங்கேயும் இப்படி நகர்த்தினோம்னா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும், நகர்த்திட்டு இப்படி எடுத்து பார்த்தோம்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்பைரோகிராஃப் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேம்மா, ஸோ எலிப்ஸ் நிறையா ஓவல் ஷேப் இப்படி இப்படின்னு போட்டோம்னா நமக்கு இங்கே என்ன கிடைக்கும், ஒரு நீட்டாக ஒரு ஸ்பைரோகிராஃப் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ட்ரை திஸ் ஒன். See the next one ma, complete the patterns using the given shapes and shade with your own color. Okay, see here some left side they given some shapes, that one see and you can complete this right side. Okay, in the same picture you can draw here. Okay, இதே மாதிரி right hand side draw பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ண சொல்றாங்க, கலர் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Closely observe this picture. Here what are the shapes they are using? Circle. Okay, so everything circle, after it is oval, after this one spiral. Okay, so here also you complete one circle, here circle, here also circle, here also circle, after this oval shape. Okay, everything oval shape, after you can draw this spiral. Okay, so complete means you will get one neat picture. See ma, first you complete with the circle. Okay, first you can draw the circle, after this oval shape. Okay, between two circle you can draw the oval shape, after this everything spiral. Okay, this one, this one, this one, everything spiral. So complete means you will get one neat picture. Next oval shape, everything oval shape, spring type you can draw means you will get this picture. After this left side CN you can draw this right side. See ma, this left side CN you can draw, complete this right side. Okay, so complete after you give the color. Okay, so this is your book exercise. Okay, so get your book after complete this book exercise. Okay, left side CN completely you can draw the right hand side. Okay ma. See the next one, to differentiate and compare the shapes drawn. Okay, see students, prepare your own pattern of shapes using circles, spirals and oval. Exchange it with your friends and discuss. Okay, here you can use the circles, spirals and oval. These three shapes use and you can make any one pattern. Okay, see here they draw some rangoli here only they are using the ellipse. Okay, sorry, oval shape. Okay, oval shape use and they are drawing this picture. Okay ma, see for example oval shape, here one oval shape. Okay, here one oval shape, after here one oval shape. Okay, oval shape use and they are drawing some picture. Okay, here also, so they are using this picture. Okay ma, that spiral use and they are creating this picture. Okay, so this like also you can make any one picture, oval, circle, next one spiral use and you can create any one picture. Seema, to explore visual examples of repeating patterns. Okay, repeating patterns. Here some examples given. Some visual examples are cactus is the example for oval shaped pattern. Okay, everyone seeing the cactus. Okay ma, see this cactus சப்பாத்தி கல்லி இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஸோ அதில் இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்னா என்ன ஷேப்பில் இருக்குது, எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் அ ஓவல் ஷேப். ஓகே, ஸோ cactus is the best example for oval shape. Okay, so here everything is what, oval shape. Okay, so naturally we have the shapes. Okay, next, shell of a snail is the example for spiral shaped pattern. See ma, everyone know the shell. Okay, that shell upside here we have the pattern. So here that one designed with what, spiral shape. Okay, இங்கே செல்லில் நேச்சுரலாகவே நமக்கு என்ன இருக்குது, அது இந்த மேலே நத்தையோட இங்கே மேலே ஓட்டில் நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், நேச்சுரலாகவே ஸ்பைரல் ஷேப் இருக்குது. ஓகேம்மா, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பேங்கிள் ரெப்ரசன்ட் தி சர்க்கிள் ஷேப்டு பேட்டர்ன். ஓகே, see here this one is the circle shape. Okay, which one is the best example, bangle is a circle shape. Okay ma, see students, see the visual example in the surroundings like rangoli, spirograph. Okay, see every day we are putting the rangoli. Okay, so that rangoli with we are creating lot of designs. Okay ma, see here we have one rangoli, here also we are using some square, next ellipse, after here also some, what is this, oval shaped. Okay, so that a lot of designs use and we are creating this rangoli. Okay ma, next here also some spirograph use and we are creating this design. Okay, here lot of circles use and they are making the spirograph. Okay, next see, observe the patterns in the surroundings, fill the rangoli with colors using your creativity, use petals of flowers and fallen leaves from the trees to fill the rangoli. Okay, children, prepare your circles, oval and spirals from the chart or color paper or with threads. Okay, color the prepared patterns with the same. Here look like a activity ma, just you draw any one pattern. Okay, any one design. Okay, use any patterns and make one rangoli. Okay, rangoli, draw any rangoli, after color that, otherwise use petals of flowers. Okay, flowers ஓட அந்த இதில் இருக்கு இல்லையா அது, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு லீவ்ஸு, ஸோ இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க, அந்த ரங்கோலிக்கு டிசைன் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேம்மா, அதர்வைஸ் யூ கேன் ட்ரா த சர்க்கிள்ஸ், ஓவல், ஸ்பைரல். Okay, spiral shaped, everything draw and you make one rangoli designs. Okay, see the next one ma, exercise 1.1. Okay, write the shapes of the patterns present in the pictures given below. See, we have some picture here. Okay, snacks picture available. Okay, this one made by what, spiral. Okay, see here this one made by spiral. Okay, so here what you write, spiral, spiral, spiral design. Okay mom, next here some designs available. Here we are using oval shape and circle shape. Okay, oval and circle use and they creating some picture. Okay ma, so what you write here, oval, oval, oval and circle. Okay, so you can write oval and circle. So this every designs made by oval shape and circle. Okay ma, next one, see, complete the patterns given below. See, very easy. One circle, one spiral, circle, spiral, circle, spiral, next what, circle, after spiral. Okay ma, so that spring type coming, no, that is spiral. Okay, next here oval, circle, next one oval, two circle, next one oval, three circle, next what you draw, one oval, after see one oval, one circle, one oval, two circle, next one oval shape, three circle, next one oval shape, after four circle, next one everything circle but color is different. Okay, so you can draw the circle, after you want to put the color here, red, green, red, green, red, after what you draw, green, after here red. Okay ma, so you want to give the color also here. Next also everything oval shape. Okay, vertical oval shape, After a horizontal oval shape, vertical, horizontal, vertical. After horizontally you draw one oval. After vertically you draw one oval. After you want to give the color blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue. After here what you give? Yellow color. After here blue color. Okay, very easy. Get your book soon. After draw these things. Okay, after you want to give the color also. The next thing, ma, draw simple rangoli. Use your own creativity to fill them. Okay, here you can draw any one rangoli picture. After you can give the color. Okay, use circle, use oval shape, otherwise use spring. Okay, every spiral, anything use and you create one rangoli design here. Okay, ma. So that's all the lesson. Okay, next class we can see the second lesson, ma. Here in this class we studied about patterns. Okay, so nothing ma, circle, spiral and oval shape use and we are creating some patterns, and naturally we have the patterns. Okay, so that things only we studied today. Okay mom, so very easy lesson. That's all this lesson mom. Okay, naturally we have the patterns. For a oval shape example is cactus, and spiral shape example is this shell, and circle shape example is bangle. Okay, lot of examples in the circle shape. Okay, coins, everything is the example of the circle. Okay, so in this lesson very easy. Okay, here what are the book exercise? Just you draw, complete this picture. After give the color here. This picture for only you want to give the color. This page is your work. After this book exercise 1.1, you write these answers. Here also you complete. After you give the color. Next you can draw the rangoli designs. That's all. Okay ma. So thank you. Next class we will see.